Our society is infinitely complicated, and some of the challenges we face seem really daunting. But being a researcher means showing up, breaking complex issues down, and working to answer the big questions. How can we use status symbols to analyze what our society values?
How can we make sport more inclusive for everyone?
How can we use computers to help us in cancer drug discovery? Doing a PhD at RMIT is about taking on the challenge to explore and imagine a better world.
Before coming to RMIT, I'd never done qualitative research. But now I look at the world as a researcher, combining data and theory. We know through research that luxury is an indicator of social values. I have conducted extensive interviews to understand what drives modern consumers towards sustainability.
Netball is the #1 team sport for women and girls in Australia. And yet, the traditional and dominant image of a netballer is white and feminine. This means the sport doesn't reflect the diversity in our society. And so, we have to ask, what are the impacts of this image? And does every netballer feel safe to play? Doing a PhD, you feel like an investigator. I'm looking at how the language of play, netball uniforms and hair all contribute to the white feminine image of a netballer. And following the clues, I discovered how beauty standards, racial politics and resistance play out in relation to sportswomen's hair.
Protein overexpression is seen in some types of cancers. My PhD is about structure-based drug design. I'm screening for compounds that can bind to this overexpressed protein. Using computational modeling, I can narrow my search, making cell culture testing in a lab much more manageable. I'd say that I'm fairly introverted, but thanks to my lab community, I've become a lot more confident. We practice milestone presentations, offer ideas and suggestions, and support each other on this PhD journey.
Research has the power to influence policy and make a positive change in any industry. Doing a PhD at RMIT means having the passion and support to show up every day and push the boundaries of existing knowledge. Because solving the world's greatest challenges will take 1,000 small discoveries.